Good afternoon, everybody. Rebel Scoutmaster coming back. Doing a little exploring today, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. There is 2 more Sundays until the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2025, which I'm participating in again this year. So I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys would love to click on it. I would really appreciate it. Donate if you want to. Sign up and ride in your area if you can. It's a good cause for men's mental health and prostate cancer research. It all benefits the Movember Foundation. So it's a worldwide thing, but most just do a quick Google search on it and read up about it. It's really, really interesting. So anyway, yeah, there's that. So I'm going to be doing a video on that in 2 Sundays, 2 weeks from today. So I'm going to try to get that hot off the press as quick as I can and get it edited and posted as fast as I can. So it's a pretty interesting area. I don't think I've ever been until just a few minutes ago when I rode past here. So that's the interstate, and there's a little boat launch right here. And if anybody has ever been on I-10 in South Mississippi and may have seen what looks like the largest American flag in the whole world, here it is in all its beautiful glory. So that is it's pretty amazing. I don't have any idea how big that is, but it is huge. And it's actually at a Camping World in their front lawn, I guess. But anyway, yeah, doing the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, gonna dress up all fancy schmancy, and I've got to drive over to Mobile that morning, so I'll likely get footage that morning going over and record what I can while I'm there. I'll try to post a bunch of stuff on Instagram if I can while I'm there to see, show you guys what's up. But anyway, that's that. I'm looking forward to it. So that's usually, I'm kind of ashamed to say, but that's like the longest ride that I normally do in about a year usually, because it's about 300 miles a day, which is a lot for me. What in the world is going on here? These people. Anyway. Let me get through all this traffic stuff. And so yeah, if you have not done so, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would certainly help me out a lot. I know I don't post a ton of videos. I try to make my videos relevant if I can, on installs and general life updates. It's not really a daily vlog or anything like that. I've given up on trying to make any money at this, so just kind of doing it because it's fun, gives me something to do. So anyway, yeah, just hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and keep a lookout on Instagram and my YouTube channel in a couple of weeks for that new video coming out. But I'm going to leave you with some of me carving up some curves here in just a second. Peace, guys. See y'all.